Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in desktop mode, switch now and plug in power to avoid interruptions. Make sure you picked a VPN that supports Linux or OpenVPN because the Steam Deck runs a Linux base. Once downloaded, place the provider's Linux client package or the OVPN files into a folder you can find quickly. Next, open a terminal or the file manager. This step moves you from preparation into action so you can install the client or import configuration without pausing. You'll install the client package or run an app image. If you prefer built-in tools, import the OVPN into Network Manager. Make sure to set DNS to the VPN provider's DNS or a privacy-focused resolver like 1.1.1.1 to avoid leaks. Enable the kill switch in the app or set up a firewall rule so games won't expose your real IP if the VPN drops. Once configured, test with a simple command like curl ifconfig or check the client status to confirm your public IP. Switch back to gaming mode and confirm the VPN connection remains active. Some clients disconnect on mode change, so re-enable or set auto start. If you need local network access for controllers or media, configure split tunneling or per-app routing so Steam and local services work together. Finally, run a leak check and launch a game to ensure latency is acceptable. Troubleshooting tip: if the VPN won't connect, reboot the deck. Reinstall the client and double-check DNS and firewall rules to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.